Hello everyone. Ito po ang sample natin na letter sa pag-notify sa EMB Regional Office in case po na nag-resign na ang PCO. Sa Section 9 ng DAO 2014-02, ang inaasahang mag-notify sa EMB Regional Office ay ang managing head ng establishment. Ano ang pwedeng pattern natin? So dito on the screen, meron tayong company letterhead, tapos yung date. So for example, January 16, 2026. Example na date kung kailan tayo magno-notify. Dito sa ating letter. Name of regional director, dapat kilala natin. Lalagay natin yung pangalan ng regional directors. For example, Mr. Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng EMB Region 4A. At yung office address, PITX, Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Then subject, notification of resignation and replacement of accredited pollution control officer. Lagyan natin dito, Dear Director Metin, good day. This is to formally, nagsasalita dito ang managing head. This is to formally inform your good office of the resignation of our accredited pollution control officer, PCO. Lalagay natin dito ang pangalan. For example, Juan de la Cruz with PCO accreditation number. Lalagay natin dito. For example, 2024-13. Effective kung kailan po nag-resign. So, lagay natin dito. January 12, 2026. So, yeah. In this regard, we are pleased to notify your office that, dito naman natin ilalagay yung replacement niya. Halimbawa, Peter de la Cruz. So, Peter de la Cruz has been designated as the new pollution control officer of, lalagyan natin dito ang company name or establishment name. Halimbawa, ABC Company Inc. Effective, syempre after ng resignation, dapat merong PCO agad. Lagyan natin dito, January 12, 2026. The details of the replacement PCO are as follows. Lagay natin pangalan ng replacement, Peter de la Cruz. At currently, ang kanyang position, for example, ay industrial engineer / supervisor. Then, yung contact number niya, 0998-543-5477. At yung kanyang email address, for example, peter@gmail.com. So sabi pa natin, we are currently processing or completing the necessary requirements for the accreditation of the newly designated PCO and shall submit the same to your office for evaluation and approval. We assure your office of our continued commitment to comply with all environmental laws, rules, and regulations. Thank you for your usual support and guidance. Very truly yours. Lalagyan natin dito ang name ng authorized representative. Usually naman ang managing head. For example, Engineer Peter Espan. Siya ang president. Lagyan natin date signed. January 16, 2026. So that's it. So this is our pattern sa pag-notify sa EMB Regional Office in case of resignation or termination of the services of the PCO. I hope you have learned something. If you want a copy of this, just comment below. Thank you very much for time listening, and God bless us all.